Let's press Ctrl A to select entire content of the document. Press Ctrl B for now to apply bold to the highlighted text. Press Ctrl I to apply italic to the highlighted text. Press Ctrl U right now to apply underline to the highlighted text. Press Ctrl Shift with W to apply underline to the words without spaces. Press Ctrl Shift with D. You may apply double underline to the text. Press Ctrl Shift with A to make format letters as all capital. Press Ctrl Shift with Q. You can change the selection to the symbol fonts. Press Ctrl Shift with less than key to decrease the font size. Press Ctrl Shift with greater than key to increase the font size. Press Alt with F11 to display Microsoft Visual Basic Code. Press Alt with F3 to create an auto text entry. Press Alt with F8 to display run a macro. Press Ctrl E to move highlighted content to the center paragraph. Press F1 to get office assistance or the online help. Press F5 to choose the go-to command. Press F12 to display Save As dialog box. Press Ctrl R to move to the right, align a paragraph. Press Alt Ctrl with M to insert a comment. Press Ctrl with F12 to display the open dialog box. Press Ctrl M to indent a paragraph from the left. Press Ctrl Shift with M to remove the paragraph indent from the left.